afternoon and welcome to my channel. I've now completed the autumn journal using Bontik Vintage Designs Heritage Fall Kit. There is a link below. I've tied it up with some brown sari silk and we did the cover, but I've added a wax seal onto here and I've added some book corners on as well. So inside I've got This Book Belongs To, comes from Roxy Creations, page from the kit. I've added some washi tape on some of the pages, tea dye paper, page from the kit. This was a piece of the ephemera we made, and this is just a flip out that I haven't actually put anything in. That's open for whoever has the journal. Page from the kit, and here this is a tuck. I'll actually use this through the journal. This is a tuck here, and this was from the kit magazine page. I've put some odd embellishments around on the pages as well, and some tabs using up some of the scraps of paper I had left over. More washi. I do love this page, really do. I've stenciled on some of the tea dyed papers. A pocket from the kit, and I really don't know where I got this from, but I found it in my stash, so I put it in, and I've just done a little bow with some orange not seam binding, sari silk, some more texture paste, and this is an up tuck here. Again, I've not put anything in it. An old receipt, some vellum. This is a postcard I believe I got from Hobbycraft, and this is some of that tape. I bought the metallic tape. We made this in the ephemera making. Greaseproof paper, I love the sound of that. More texture paste, and what I have found is where you've put it on where there's colour, it's picked the colour up. This is supposed to be white, like this one here, but obviously this is a magazine, an old magazine, it hasn't done it, so it's printed, but here, because I've used an inkjet printer, maybe the ink has come through on these pages. That's just a tuck, I haven't done anything with that. Edith Holden centre pages, and on here I have some gorgeous little dangles, bead dangles I've made, and the other side of this signature page from the kit, the greaseproof paper. Again, some ephemera we made, and I've just put this little tag in. I don't know where it came from. I've used rusted paper clips throughout, on which I've put, if I've got another one there, just some lace or tulle onto it. Again, one of the side page edgings that we made. She's lovely. Some more pages. And here I've just put on a doily, wrapped an orange doily over there, and then clipped on, again with some lace, a rusted paper clip, and it does leave a mark, as you can see. Straw paper, some more tabs and stenciling. This is a little pocket, I haven't done anything with it. On the this is vintage music paper, vintage book page, some washi and a embellishment from the kit, and I love this page as well. And again here, this is a pocket from the kit that's got a little journaling card in, and I've just clipped it on here, and I've got one of Artie Mays' autumn sayings on there, and that does flip out. Page from the kit, tea dye paper, vintage book page, page from the kit, and the start of the second signature. Oh, there's a pocket and I've got nothing in it. I will have to find something to put in there. Some vintage paper, tab. I thought I'd finished. I didn't even check that. Greaseproof paper, and here I've got a journal card and a tag, and then this is some Germanic Gothic writing from a book from 1860, so I've put a double sheet of that. I do have sheets of this available in my Etsy shop, and then I've also got a page from a calendar for a picture, so you can use these to decorate the journal with. Oops, that way around. That on there, and again, this is a rusted bulldog kit. I've made all these and just tied some lace onto it. Receipt, book page, page from the kit, and another embellishment on there. And here, this is again we made with the ephemera making, and that was just a scrap of paper that I've backed. That can go in there. Tea dye paper, and this is just a flip out like that. Tab, tea dye doily here. I've got a tag I've just put in there, and this is an embossed paint sample that I've used, and then I've done some painting swatches on some tea dyed material, scraps of material I had left over, and I've used my Posca pens for that. And again, this is a tag. I don't know where I got it from, but I've put a little bowl pin with a leaf on. And then this is a tag from the kit with one of Artie Maze's quotes. Some vellum, page from the kit, straw paper, page from the kit. And then we've got the centre, and I've got the same here again with the two little dangles. I like that as well. And then another... This is from the embellishments, the ephemera we made with another rusted paper clip. Page from the kit, vellum, and now here, again, that was from the ephemera we made, which I've tucked into here. And then this is from the kit as well, and I've just put a little tie, some vintage thread around that, the top of it, and pinned it up with a rusted paper clip again, and some washi tape folded over. This again we made in the clusters, paper clusters, and I've made it a tuck spot but not put anything in there. This is just a fold out. Oops, there, folds out like that. Tea dye paper. And here I've got one of the tool tags, just put a decoration on there. And this is an envelope that has got, I've put a wax seal on, and it opens, and I've stenciled on the inside, and then there's just a few bits to decorate with. I'll leave that there, put that back afterwards. Whoops, that way around. Page edge that we made, page from the kit, and then this is another envelope. Again, I've done the same with this. No, I haven't. I've stenciled it, and then all I've done is add a few pieces here in here that you can, again, you can embellish with the journal with, and just clip that on again with a rusty paper clip. These do leave marks, but I think that's good. I like that. More greaseproof paper, Edith Holden, page from the kit, some washi on there, and then we've come to the end, where at the end I've got a pocket, and I got this little idea from Alison at Crafty Alley Creates, and I've used some 6x6 paper pad, just folded it in half. Hers were double-sided, mine weren't, so I've just stuck another sheet on the back there, a background sheet. I think that was by Boho Love, that background sheet. And then I've just put that in there. So that's my journal, nothing on the back. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and the notification bell, and subscribe if you haven't. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.